Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to EA English Production. Today I have brought for you 50 English sentences, part 9. These are the 50 sentences that we have over here. They are mostly and frequently spoken words and sentences in English speaking, part 9. So let's get started. तुम सोते हुए बहुत अजीब तरह से रोते हो. You cry horribly while sleeping. You cry horribly while sleeping. ये उसके हाथ में थमा देना. Hand him over. Hand this to him over. उसको ताकीद करना कि वो देर न कर दे. Instruct him to not to be late. Instruct him to not to be late. इतनी मेहनत के बावजूद वो कामयाब ना हो सका. None of his struggle made him successful. None of his struggle made him successful. वो जीत भी सकता था. He could have won. याद रखिएगा, वो आ भी सकता था, वो जीत भी सकता था. मतलब ये पॉसिबिलिटी है इन द पास्ट, तो उसके लिए हमने could have का इस्तेमाल किया. Could have. He could have won और थर्ड फॉर्म have के साथ. वो वहां जा सकता था. वो वहां जा सकता था. He could have gone there. मैं वहां जा सकता था. I could have gone there. तुम वहां जा सकते थे. You could have gone there. वो ये मैच जीत सकते थे मगर उन्होंने कोशिश न की. They could have won. They could have won this match, but they didn't try much. आपको आना चाहिए था. You should have come. You should have come. आपको आना चाहिए था. हमें आपसे बात कर लेनी चाहिए थी. I should have talked to you. I should have talked to you. मुझे आपसे बात कर लेनी चाहिए थी. I should have talked to you. तुम्हें मुझसे बात कर लेनी चाहिए थी. You should have talked to me. काश मैं पढ़ लेते. I wish I should have read. I wish I should have read. मेरी लाख कोशिश के बावजूद वो ना माना. I couldn't convince him in spite of thousands of struggles. आपके लिए यकीनन ये मुश्किल वक्त है. It is believed you are going over tough situation. Tough situation. You are going over tough situation. मुझे इस बारे में बताइए. Let me know about it. Let me know about it. यकीनन दुख की बात थी. Certainly it was sad to hear. It was sad to hear. मैं इसको हल करने में आपकी मदद करूंगी. I shall help you solve this. I shall help you solve this. मैं इसको उठाने में आपकी मदद करूंगी. I shall help you lift this. I shall help you lift this up. मैं आपकी बात सुन रही हूँ. I'm getting you. I'm getting you. I'm listening you. I'm hearing you. I can hear you. तुम हंसते हो. तुम हंसते हुए प्यारे लगते हो. तुम हंसते हुए प्यारे लगते हो. You click my heart while smiling. You click my heart while smiling. मैं यहाँ आपके साथ रहना चाहती हूँ. I want to be with you. I want be with you. I want be with you. मुझे बिजली के कड़कने से डर लगता है. बादलों के गरजने से डर लगता है. I feel afraid of thunder and lightning. तुम्हारे इख्तियार में नहीं है मुझे छोड़ना. It is not up to you to desert me. To desert me. मैं अपने भाई से बात करूंगी. I'll talk to or I'll talk with my brother. I'll talk to my brother mean कि I will talk to यानी कि एक मीन या सोर्स के थ्रू a source और या फिर एक टेलीफोन के थ्रू, टेलीविज़न, खत के थ्रू, यानी talk to। लेकिन अगर फेस टू फेस बात करनी, talk with my brother। देखते हैं क्या होता है। Let's see what happens। Let's see what happens। आइंदा मेरे साथ कभी बहस मत करना। Don't argue with me। Don't debate with me। मुझे ऐसे लोग जहर लगते हैं। I'm deadly against such people। I'm deadly against such people। सर ये फाइल मुकम्मल होगी। सर दिस फाइल इज completed। ये फाइल मुझे ऑफिस में देते जाना। Deliver me this file in office। तुम यहाँ क्या लेने आए हो? For what are you here? मैं मार्केट में खरीदारी के सिलसिले में निकली हूँ। I'm here to go for shopping in the market। I'm here to go for shopping in the market। माफ़ कीजिएगा, इसका दाम बताएंगे आप? Excuse me, can you tell me its price? क्या इसमें कुछ कम हो सकता है? Can't you make its price less? Can you make its price less? इसकी कीमत क्या है? What's its price? इसकी कीमत क्या है? What's its price? इसमें और रंग है? Is it available in another color? Is it available in another color? ठीक हो गया। Done। Alright। Perfect। क्या मैं इसको पहनकर देख सकता हूँ? Can I check it by wearing? मेरी ऐनक का नंबर क्या है? What is the number of glasses? कितनी देर लगेगी? How long would it take? How long would it take? मुझे और कितना इंतजार करना होगा? How long should I wait? How long should I wait? ये दुकान किस वक्त खुलेगी? When this shop be opened? When this shop be opened? हम शॉपिंग करने किसी और शहर जाएंगे। We'd go another city for shopping। जल्दी करें, मैंने बच्चों को स्कूल लाने जाना है। Hurry up, I have to take the children from school। Hurry up, I have to take the children from school। बहुत मुश्किल है, मैं थोड़ा सोचता हूँ। It's quite difficult, I must think a little। It's quite difficult, I must think a little। कीमत कम करें। Kindly make the price less। Kindly make the discount। यहाँ से कितना दूर होगा? How far would it be? How far would it be? ज़्यादा दूर नहीं, बस चंद कदम के फासले पर है। Not much far, it's just on footsteps। It's just on footsteps। वो मार्केट किस जगह है? Where is that market located? What's the location of that market? क्या वहाँ तक पैदल जाना होगा या कोई ज़रिया है? Is there any conveyance to go or by foot? तुम मुझे 3 बजे मिल लेना। See me at 3। See me at 3। मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी। I like what you said। I like what you said। मुझे इस कपड़े की किस्म पसंद आई। I like the variety of this cloth। I like the variety of this cloth। क्लाथ मीन के जो सिला हुआ कपड़ा ना हो, चुनांचे आप शॉप पे हैं तो क्लाथ बोलना है। अगर सिया हुआ है देन क्लॉथ। क्या तुम रोजाना यहाँ होते हो? Do you come here every day? Do you come here every day? Well, that's all for now. Thanks for being with EA English. If you want to download this PDF book or video, you can visit our website englishea.com. You can get all of the sentences. There are rest of in this series 50 English sentences you can search on YouTube. EA English 50 sentences, part 1, part 2, part 3 until 9 so far. And you can download the PDF from our website englishea.com, or you can ask the link in the comments, or you can find the link in the description box. Have a good time. Thanks very much.